Good evening and welcome back. We've got lots of territory to cover, so let's dig right in. This is the precipitation system moving up from the southwest. For some of you, you may be seeing this precipitation over your area, but not experiencing the rain. It is falling, and when it doesn't actually make it all the way to the earth, it is called virga. Just a definition for you to stick in your back pocket, I guess. These were your high temperatures today, 80-ish, 80 in Danville anyway, and 79 in Taylorville, Decatur, and also to the east in Terre Haute. So a warm day, and overnight your temperatures to start with will be kept warm by the cloud cover until that rain starts actually making it to the ground. Possibly stormy tonight and breezy, wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Initially, right around midnight or so, our temperatures will only fall to about 69, close to 70, but eventually before sunrise, we'll be back around 60 or lower. Severe storm risk for tonight and early tomorrow. In fact, through maybe noon tomorrow. That is covering the entire viewing area. It is a level 2 slight risk, but a scale of 2 on 1 to 5 scale, 5 being the highest. The hazards or threats include dangerous lightning, damaging winds, hail, and the very remote threat of a tornado with this system. We're looking at Futurecast now, and we see precipitation at the 8 o'clock hour moving through the area again, and lots of cloud cover there. And we see some pockets of intensity, but initially it's not a widespread covering of the viewing area. But then there are some pockets of great intensity, which may indicate the presence of a thunderstorm, maybe even a severe thunderstorm, as we've mentioned. This activity, very spotty at times, continues through the early morning hours, and you see some greater intensity moving through Effingham County, Clark County, Jasper, as well as Crawford. And this is kind of par for the course with this system. It goes away and comes back again in several waves. Paris, looking at the early morning hours before sunrise. Eventually, this system, as far as the intensity, moves out, and then what follows behind is a covering of showers. We'll take the showers over damaging activity any point in time. Then toward evening, we have some clearing again of this system. Let's take a look at your day part temperatures for tomorrow. You see not much temperature movement there, hovering around the 60-degree mark pretty much. We'll see an afternoon high maybe late in the day near 63 degrees. And the winds, well, they won't be as intense as we had originally forecast. In fact, toward midday, very calm air. So that's an improvement somewhat. But then we get to Sunday. This is Easter Sunday morning, and we see some pockets of intensity. Again, possible thunderstorms with all of the possible hazards we mentioned. It grows in intensity, especially toward the northern and north central areas and to the east near Casey and Terre Haute. That's at 10 o'clock on Easter Sunday morning, according to the current forecast. Then things clear for a while, and then look what's back. Maybe even in greater intensity, a line of thunderstorms potentially moving through the viewing area, and this doesn't move out till early Monday morning, and then you're actually looking at some degree of sunshine. Reviewing the weekend, the temperatures 63, 71, 68, and basically warmer weather, but we do have a lot of rainfall that will be taking place over the 3-day period. And now, back to the anchor desk.